While some acidic foods, like citrus fruits, can be beneficial, too much can lead to health issues. You will understand acidic foods and how they might be affecting your health. We'll dive into which acidic foods to watch out for and how to balance your diet effectively. Ready? Let's jump in. First, let's get a quick refresher on acidity. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline something is, ranging from 1 to 14. Anything below 7 is acidic, while 7 to 14 is alkaline. But not all acidic foods affect our bodies in the same way. For instance, lemons are acidic but turn alkaline once digested, helping to balance your body's pH. It's crucial to keep a neutral pH of around 7 for optimal health. Our bodies naturally maintain a slightly alkaline range of 7.35 to 7.45. This balance supports energy levels, oxygen delivery, and liver function. Too much acidity can harm bone density and increase cancer risk, so moderation is key. Let's start with vegetables. Even though veggies are packed with nutrients, some like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants are more acidic. Eating them in large quantities might increase acidity in your body, especially if you have a sensitive digestive system. But don't fret. Moderation is the answer. Balance these with more alkaline foods to keep your pH levels in check. Next up is alcohol. It's a popular choice at social gatherings, but it can significantly raise your body's acidity. Alcohol disrupts your digestive system and can lead to inflammation. Reducing alcohol consumption helps maintain a better pH balance and supports overall health. Heavy drinking not only affects acidity, but is also linked to higher cancer risks. Cutting back can greatly lower your future cancer risk. Let's talk about red meat. While it's rich in protein and iron, it's also quite acidic. Too much red meat can increase acidity in your body, leading to potential inflammation and digestive issues. To keep things balanced, try reducing red meat and opting for leaner proteins like chicken or fish. Processed meats like bacon and beef jerky also contribute to acidity and are associated with chronic conditions like heart disease and certain cancers. Moderation is essential here. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt can also raise acidity levels, especially in large amounts. This can be problematic for those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy. The high phosphorus content in some dairy products can exacerbate heartburn and other digestive issues. To reduce acidity, consider switching to dairy alternatives like almond milk or lactose-free options. Eggs are another nutritious option, but they're acidic too. While they're great for protein and vitamins, eating them in excess can affect your body's pH balance. Balance your egg intake with more alkaline foods like leafy greens and fruits to maintain a healthy pH. Remember, a well-rounded diet with a variety of fruits and veggies helps offset the acidity of animal products. Refined grains like those found in white bread and pasta are not the healthiest choices. They lack the fiber and nutrients of whole grains, leading to increased acidity. Processed foods can also cause inflammation and digestive issues. Opt for whole grains like brown rice or quinoa to boost fiber intake and support a more balanced pH. Moderation is key when indulging in treats like donuts. Processed sugar is a major player in the acidic food arena. Sugary snacks and desserts can cause spikes in blood sugar and increase body acidity. Reducing sugar intake helps maintain better health and energy levels. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or fresh fruit to satisfy your sweet tooth. Be cautious with sugary drinks. They can lead to excessive calorie intake and health issues like prediabetes and kidney problems. Water is always a healthier choice. Coffee lovers, listen up. Coffee is a great energy booster, but also acidic. Excessive coffee consumption can disrupt your body's pH balance and cause digestive issues. To enjoy coffee without overdoing it, limit your intake and balance it with more alkaline beverages like herbal teas. Moderation is the key to enjoying coffee while maintaining overall well-being. Nuts are nutritious and packed with healthy fats and protein, but some, like almonds and walnuts, are acidic. While they're beneficial in moderation, too many can increase acidity. Incorporate a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet for balance. Nuts are generally less acidic than animal products, so they're a better choice for maintaining a balanced diet. Lastly, let's talk about legumes and beans. Typically, these are considered alkaline forming, but processing or cooking them in certain ways can increase their acidity. To keep their natural benefits, choose unprocessed organic varieties and prepare them in a way that maintains their alkalinity. Moderation is important, especially if your diet includes a lot of fast or processed foods. Balancing your diet doesn't mean you have to eliminate all acidic foods. It's about moderation and making smart choices. By being mindful of your food intake and incorporating more alkaline options, you can support your health and maintain a balanced pH. Thanks for joining us on this health journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and insights on living well. See you next time.